The science of sneaker whiteness. Red alert! We have a tragedy in the shoe cabinet. Who turned your limited edition fresh whites into old cheese yellows? Ribbit! I am Dr. Frog, using hardcore science to save your life and your wallet. My inbox is exploding with messages. Doctor, help! I washed my sneakers, but after drying, they turned yellow. Are they ruined? Ruined? Don't be naive. Science does not allow you to waste money. Today, we are going deep into the fibers to catch the molecular criminal, and I will teach you the ultimate secret technique, the optical deception hack. Many people think dirty shoes, just use more soap. Wrong! Huge mistake. You think you rinsed it off? Look closer. Deep inside the fibers, the alkaline residue army is hiding. These soap residues are sneaky. When you put your wet shoes under the hot sun, boom! The UV rays hit the alkaline residue and a chemical reaction explodes. They mutate into ugly yellow oxidation monsters. The more you dry them, the yellower they get. This is called photo-oxidation. So, internet gurus say, just wrap it in tissue. But most people do it wrong. If you just loosely cover it, useless. You need to use physics, specifically capillary action. Listen up, you must wrap the tissue tight like a mummy. As the water evaporates, it travels out. The tissue acts as a sacrificial shield. It sucks the yellow oxidation monsters out of the shoe and onto the paper. When it's dry, peel off the yellow paper. Boom. Clean shoes. But doctor, my shoes are old and yellow. The tissue didn't work. Then we must use the nuclear option. We must deceive your eyes. Look at the color wheel. Blue is the opposite of yellow. They cancel each other out to make white. Warning! Pay attention. We want to whiten the shoes, not turn them into Avatar. Do not use too much. Take a bowl of water, add just 1 or 2 WO drops of blue ink or laundry bluing. Stir it. The water should be very, very pale blue. Dip your yellow shoes in. Give the yellow monsters a blue bath. The blue neutralizes the yellow. It's like an invisibility cloak for stains. This is the magic of science. We didn't just clean it. We tricked reality. Let's recap. 1. Rinse your soap thoroughly. 2. Use the mummy tissue method to suck out stains. San. Use blue water to neutralize old yellowing. Science isn't boring. It's a weapon to save your style. Did this save your sneakers? Comment Frog Squad down below. I'm Dr. Frog. Subscribe for more hacks. See you next time. Ribbit.